Alright boys, so it's the first day of our hike and we are in Dolomites, some place called Israel. I think I pronounced it correctly. I don't know how these German words are exactly pronounced, but we try to get our best here. Try our best to pronounce it. So this is the view. And it is a dull day, like weather is not very sunny. It's a rainy day, but we are making the best out of it. Ciao. Alright, so we just arrived in Saseda. So you are going to get the first glimpse of Saseda in like 5 seconds. It's going to look very unreal. Yes, that is Saseda for you. Alright guys, so we are halfway through our trek and that's amazing. Saseda, we can't get enough of it. I think nobody can, because if there's any place in the world which gives this view, it's this place. So we are going back from Saseda. We are still in Saseda, but we are trying to go to Santa Cristina, and this is the way, all the way down that we have to walk. So we have been walking from this mountain, from the beginning, and then we went to this part, and here we are. So yeah. Hi guys, so it's the third day of our trip in South Tyrol, or so my voice has changed because of the cold weather, and we are going to see a different view of Saseda, because we went to Saseda like 3 times already. We can't get enough of it. It's a cloudy day, and you can see this hut, and here we are starting our trek. We have another 30-minute hike. Lishan said it.
It's 30 minutes and there's a 1 hour option.
Okay, so we are taking the 30 minutes. Akil is also happy with that. Let's see what awaits. We took a small detour, and first we are taking the 5 minutes walk, and we are expecting to see something really spectacular. I mean, you know, that's like a cheap thrill, because here you have to walk like miles and miles to get a good view, but we are expecting it from 5 minutes walk. Let's see guys, let's do this. Here in Saseda, or any part of the Dolomites, you can find lots of huts. So these huts will serve you food, some of them give accommodation, and they're really good, really comfortable. So this is one of them, very cute. And you can sit any of these places and chill. like what we are going to do right now and enjoy this amazing view. Ah. We have come to the most famous lake in Dolomites. It's already giving us amazing views, but we expect it to get only better. Views that we can capture on the camera, but there are views that you just have to come and see, and this is one of them, because I think no amount of photos that we take would do any kind of justice to it. Day in Lago di Praise. I think I pronounced it incorrectly. It's a different pronunciation, different language. It's like Lishan. And we Allah. Hello, so it's our 5th day in Dolomites. I don't know, I lose the count, probably it's the 6th day. So we are in a First World War battlefield. It is now a museum, so anybody can come here and see this. In the background you can see Theresa May, and tomorrow we are going to Theresa May because today it was cloudy and weather condition wasn't that great. So since it's like the best part of our, one of the, I can't say it's best, but everywhere we go in Dolomites it's very beautiful. So we just want to make sure that we preserve it for keep it for a good day, sunny day, amazing day. So today is also good, but for what it's worth we thought we will keep it for tomorrow, because tomorrow the forecast is much better and the maximum and minimum temperatures are much favorable for our hike, because it's 10.5 kilometers around this mountain. Theresa May means 3 peaks. So the day after we are going to Cinque Torre. Cinque Torre is another place with 5 mountain peaks. Alright, ciao. So this is the 6th day of our Dolomites trip, and we are somewhere. We are in Theresa May. That means 3 peaks And now we have come to Refugio Lavaredo. We will have something there, and then we will explore this mountain around us. Actually, at the beginning point that you could see the 3 peaks, but now you can't. But I think in the middle again, you can see the 3 peaks. Okay guys, ciao. It's been a couple of hours that we did the trek, and now we are going to go to that Refugio. Hope you can see it at the bottom of the mountain. With some good food. And that's 3 Okay guys, ciao. Alright guys, so it's the last day of our Dolomites trip. So we are staying 5 or 4 more days in Italy, but this is like the last day in Dolomites, and here we are. We are here to see the 5 Torri. That means 5 peaks, and Lishan is already there. He's earliest to climb, then Akila is taking the peaks, and our plan is to go all the way there and around it, then come back. I'll see you with the updates. So it's the last place we are going to see. That's Lago di Lemedes, and there's no proper path. We have to find a trekking path using this app, and it's 419 trek that we are taking, and we are halfway through. We have all the time in the world because it's the last place, and we are not in a hurry. We just stop by to appreciate the nature. Looks fabulous here. Ciao guys, I see you soon another. Basically, we are inside the cloud now.
We are the cloud.
We are the cloud.